First of all, happy Father's Day to all of you dads out there.
Happy Father's Day.
Yes. So, since we're jumping right into that, let's jump into fathers, right? Uh-huh. So a few videos ago, you spoke of your dad and how he served, and we'll get Kaylin ready, but talk about your dad here real quick one more time.
Yeah, he was a veteran. He fought in the Korean and Vietnam War. He was a chief warrant officer for the United States Army, and he flew Chinooks, those big helicopters with the two blades.
I didn't know what that was until a couple weeks ago when you shared that with us, Chinooks.
Yeah, he passed away back in 2006, so he's been gone for a while now.
Yeah, wonderful.
Yeah, I always say I'm a young person in an old family, you know.
That's true.
Yeah, the baby of the family.
Yeah, that's awesome.
We can't forget about the mothers who were fathers on Father's Day.
Yeah. We'll talk about those on Mother's Day. All right, so happy Father's Day to all of our fathers out there today. And my dad, he's still kicking.
You are so lucky.
Yeah, he's still alive. He's a good guy. He is, well, they live in Oklahoma right now.
He's so proud of you.
I think so.
I see his posts on Facebook. When John posts something really awesome, he is just like his biggest fan. It is the most beautiful thing.
Yeah, he always posts, good job, well done, congratulations, you deserve it, just things like that. Yeah, it's really sweet. So they're in Oklahoma, but happy Father's Day, Dad. Hope you have a great day this Father's Day. Father of 4 kids. All of us are still kicking.
He must have done something right.
He did do something right. He did a lot of right things. So happy Father's Day, Dad. Love you. Thanks for all you do. I mean, look, you raised a great kid, so good job.
Indeed.
All right, let's move in to the next part of our video today. And today we are going to talk a little bit about sustainability. I found this article. Okay, talks about the 10 easy do-it-yourselves boost sustainability at home. And the first thing that you and I talked about when we prepped for this was, what the heck is sustainability? First of all, it's a hard word.
It's very difficult to say, sustainability.
Sustainability. So I'm going to briefly just hit the highlights of these.
Okay.
And either we're going to love them, we're going to hate them, we're going to disagree with them, something like that.
Okay. Can we judge as we go?
We're definitely going to be very judgmental today.
Ooh, I love it.
Number 1, snuff out artificial fragrances. Love it or hate it?
Love it.
Love it, too, because I walk buyers into homes all the time.
Yeah.
And the first thing they do is not only do they feel with their nose, they feel with your feet, your hands, you're feeling with all these different senses, right? And when you smell one of those potpourri things that is like on high overdose, like crazy steroids, and it's filling the whole home with this crazy fake smell, the first thought my buyers always think is, what are they covering up?
Yeah.
What's the mess? What's the problem? What's the issue? Is there mold? Is there smoke in here? What is it? What are they trying to hold up?
That's exactly what they're thinking.
So we're giving that one a thumbs up. We agree with that. Snuff out artificial fragrances. Number 2, install window shades.
In terms of curb appeal?
Curb appeal or also sustainability.
Okay.
That's what we're figuring out. See, I like it because I like different type of window shades. I like, for instance, I don't know if this is classified as a window shade. I love plantation shutters. They look great. Beautiful. They feel great. They're easy to function with and all that fun stuff. By the way, sustainability in this article, they're kind of talking about like carbon footprint and all that stuff that I'm not smart enough to understand all that. That's kind of what they're talking about.
Keeping the waste
Do you have window shades? Do you keep sustainability?
No, I have curtains.
Curtains. I like the way you say that.
I have curtains.
That was fancy.
Yes.
Okay. Number 3, nix energy draining vampires, and not the ones that you need like a spike or garlic with to kill.
And who's Nix?
Nix them. Nix them. You know Mr. Nix them.
It's electronics.
Electronics, but it literally does say nix energy draining vampires. So, for instance, they talk about LED stuff, different lights. Also, something we talked about earlier, and that is how our parents used to make us unplug the TV. Right? Because those electronics are actually still
drawing electricity, whether they're on or off.
Love it. Other thing here talks about real quick is solar powered chargers. I don't have a solar power charger. You have a solar power charger for like your phone or anything? No. But they say here that's a good idea. I don't know. I don't agree with that part. But nix energy draining vampires. Yeah, find something around your house that's plugged in that needs to be nixed. The next one here, revive old furnishings. I'm giving this one here. I don't need to revive old furnishings. I like old furnishings. I'm okay with it.
I think you should donate old furnishings to those in need.
That's a good idea. And you know who does that? I found out today will pick up things around here when you have stuff in need that somebody else could use that helps their nonprofit. Will Kitchens. They pick up, Teen Challenge will come to your house, pick up furniture, different things around your home, appliances, whatever, because they have 2 thrift stores, and they will resell, and they use those funds for their Teen Challenge. Shout out Teen Challenge, Will Kitchens. We love you. Amazing. All right, next one. Invest in a whole home humidifier. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
I'm going to say thumbs down here in Florida. We're plenty humid enough.
Plenty heated up. This is a dehumidifier. This is taking out.
Dehumidifier.
Yes, we definitely don't want a humidifier. We definitely don't want that. How about a dehumidifier?
I think the air conditioning does a pretty bang-up job.
Your air conditioning here in Florida, 2 functions. 1, cool down the house, draw out the heat, but also to draw out the humidity, which helps your home feel more comfortable. So when the humidity's high, well, like Dr. Cool says, call the doctor, right? Humidity's running high, temperature's running high, call the doctor. Call your AC company. They actually would take care of that. Next one, rethink your appliances. Like, for instance, maybe you need a sub-zero refrigerator. Maybe you have an appliance that's not energy efficient. Maybe you need to look at that. I give that, because you do need to look at that. Now, am I going to go buy a brand new refrigerator just because mine isn't top-of-the-line efficient? No, I think that's a waste.
I think it's important to be mindful of what you buy when it's time to buy.
That's the right word.
There we go.
Switch to induction cooking. How many of you out there in land of video, YouTube, raise your hand if you have ever used induction cooking. Have you ever used induction cooking?
I don't know what induction cooking really is.
I didn't either until about 6 months ago. My wife and I stayed at this cabin rental, and the stove was awesome, the cooktop, right? So I had water I needed to boil. I set it on there. Seriously, I turned it on within 5 seconds. The water was boiling. I've never seen anything like it before.
So that is so much fun to watch water boil.
Like that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so you turn on boiled. I didn't even know what I cooked, but maybe I just boiled water and didn't even use it. I don't know. It was so cool. But I boiled the water so fast. Induction cooking, fantastic.
Okay.
It's more expensive to buy from what I understand, but it's unbelievable.
A lot of energy saving there if it's going to cook it that fast.
Boom. Next one. Spraying for a heat pump dryer. In Florida, I don't know if that's a north thing.
I don't know what that is, a heat pump dryer. If you know, will you post below so we can learn something new today?
Who's our appliance person out there that can educate us on heat pump dryers? Is that even what I have? I don't know. It says LG has these.
Maybe I already have one and don't know it.
Maybe we do. Then we're doing a great job with our sustainability.
We're doing sustainability things, yes. Don't break your arm, John.
Filter your water. That's the next one here. And what they're talking about in this part is don't just go buy a bunch of bottled water. Because bottled water is expensive. They have a lot of waste.
All those bottles.
All that carbon footprint jazz.
Yeah.
So filter your water. You know who's really good at filtering water?
Who?
Gene.
Gene. With his water machine.
Gene with his water machine. He has holy water that he can help produce to filter water. So fantastic. We'll talk to you about that later. Anyway, it's a great idea. The next one here, store smarter. This one's talking about not so many plastic bags. Use reusable type Tupperware stuff. I like that. I'm fine with that.
I like it.
I use both, though. We use a lot of Ziploc bags. I have kids. They go to school.
I do, too.
Sandwiches, chips.
They are a great invention since sliced bread.
And that's where the bread goes. That's all 10. I think we covered them there. So that's sustainability in a nutshell. Before we go too far, though, we want to connect you with somebody. Travis.
Who's Travis?
Yeah, Travis. You know Travis?
Travis with Chapman Insurance. Travis Thawley.
Yeah, Travis Thawley. He's a great guy. He likes the University of Florida. Go Gators.
Go Gators.
Shout out Gators. If you don't like the Gators, you probably shouldn't watch this video channel. No, we keep moving people away from our channel every time. If they don't like America, if they don't like the Gators, no, you can still watch if you don't like the Gators. But Travis is a UF grad, I think.
He is a UF grad. He is your go-to for property and casualty insurance.
And now's a great time to think about it, home insurance, because we are in the middle of
hurricane season.
Here we are, in the middle of hurricane season. I don't know that we've had one hit yet. Hopefully by the time this video airs.
Let's hope not.
Let's hope not. We had one 4 years ago. We all lived through it.
You want to make sure you reach out to your agent, make sure your coverage is up to date. Right?
People may not know, because I didn't know, and I know a lot of stuff. People may not know that you cannot change, alter, or add insurance within a window of when a hurricane's about to hit.
That is absolutely correct.
You ever seen those little cones that you see online and it shows Florida and we're like in that cone?
Yes.
When we hit that cone on the Weather Channel, you can't get insurance.
No, you cannot close on your insurance. So if you are in the process of buying a home and you've not got your insurance secured, do it as soon as possible.
ASAP.
No matter how long you have before closing.
Doesn't matter. Get it done. Because if you wait, it could delay your closing.
It could delay your closing because you can't close without insurance.
You got to have insurance, especially if you're financing. If you're cash, I think you probably could.
You should.
You should get insurance. Either way, you should get it. It's not worth the risk. Let's just say that. So call Travis. His information is going to be below. I think we got a card somewhere up here that Kaylin's posted for us today. And Travis is a great guy. He'll be glad to help you with Travis Insurance. It should be Travis Insurance.
It should be Travis Insurance.
But it's not. It's Chapman Insurance.
It's Chapman Insurance.
I'll call it Travis Insurance. You're the man, Travis. Anyways, don't forget, by the way, like and subscribe to this video. I seem like I always wait till the end to tell that. I'm going to start telling you guys that at the beginning. Like and subscribe to these videos. We are probably now north of 300 subscribers because before we we recorded this, it was like 270, something like that. Let's keep moving on up. I know.
I didn't know.
I'm retiring off of all you subscribers. Good job. So like and subscribe. Hashtag Lulu Lending, because that's what Denise does. We haven't talked about that in this video, but Denise is your local mortgage lender.
Yes, that is correct.
And she will help you with all things lending, refinancing, all that fun stuff.
Absolutely.
And I will help you close on your house or sell your house, whichever you want to do.
That's right. And I think between the two of us, you can consider us advocates for
Boom.
you.
Yes.
Getting you through that process.
Yes. We have a lot of people we can connect with, like Travis. Anything else you want to talk about today? We covered quite a bit of sustainability things.
Just remaining in that attitude of gratitude, John.
Stay
Gotta
in it.
do it.
Stay in it. Be gratitude for what you have in life. We'll see you next week. Have an awesome time and see you soon.
Bye-bye.